If we could plan for any emergency, what would we do differently? What steps would we take to keep our communities safe? Western Region Homeland Security Advisory Council has developed the Non-Pharmaceutical Interventions Quick Guide, a resource for all of us. When threats and hazards affect our communities, we have a head start. Strategies for understanding how we're impacted and what we can do to minimize the challenges we'll face. Please consider our NPI Quick Guide e-learning course, a short tutorial on how to use the guide to mitigate issues faced by boards of health, elected officials, and first responders. And be a participant in our upcoming series of webinars in early 2022, hosted by public health consultants who will present evidence-based strategies when we face threats and hazards, big and small. Western Region Homeland Security Advisory Council, helping you to help your community. We invite you to make time for this opportunity to learn.